When it first arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope. It only hears you when you use the wake word we chose. Alexa.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
Hey, the more you talk, the more stupid you sound. Keep talking.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Walmart.
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
5, 6.
You actually don't have to yell at it, okay? It uses far-field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room.
So it can just hear you anywhere?
Yes. Well, everyone can hear you anyway.
Oh, is that where we're going to put it?
I was thinking of putting it there, but it works anywhere.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things.
It's on
All you have to do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Doesn't it know so much? It's so small.
It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, huh?
Dad really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Wrapping paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Walmart.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
You dumb piece of shit.
Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
7, and I'm vegan.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Fuck the pools. Fuck the pool. Yeah. Fuck the pool. Fuck the pool. Fuck the pool.
You gotta get up.
It's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
August 25th,
Yeah.
you'll know.
Yeah.
I'm up.
What did the dog say after a long day of work?
What?
Today was rough. Get it? Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Another one.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
I'm sorry, but I know you're colorblind, but I didn't know you had Tourette's as well, bro.
Sometimes Echo helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T... Alexa, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Shut the fuck up.
Good job.
Echo loves to play music and knows a lot of songs, and they always sound great.
Alexa, play my dance mix.
When you feel my power.
Yo, and I'm vegan.
Alexa, define annoying.
You dumb piece of shit.
Example, my brother.
And with the companion app, you can access Echo from anywhere.
Okay, don't you dare fucking pipe up. Mister, I'm trying to duck and dive.
Roll the outro.
Drift away.